This water didn't leak up to any river. It's natural. You can see. Didn't leak up to any river. You can see. By seeing this alone, you will say God is great. Video everywhere. Just come to this place. God, this water that they are seeing here is pure raw water from the rock. It's not they are using any. It is not flowing from river. You can see it everywhere. It's rocky ground. Here is rocky. Look at everywhere. To tell you how God is great. How God is great and God is indeed a great God. Show them this way. You can see everywhere is rock. It's rocky. Here is rocky ground. In fact, here the water is going to. Let me show you this way. Just come. This is the last part where the water is going to. Those water that I will show you are coming from the rock. Just video it. You can see, you can hear the noise of the water. Just video the water. Yes. To tell you how great God is.